Determine the average value of the function f of x equals x cubed between x equals 1 and x equals 3. So we know that the average value of a function over an interval a to b is given by 1 divided by b subtract a times the integral from a to b for the function f of x dx. So for this question, we're going to have the average value is equal to 1 on b subtract a, which is 1 on 3 subtract 1, times the integral from 1 to 3 of the function x cubed with respect to x. And that's going to equal 1 over 3 subtract 1 is 1 divided by 2. And then to evaluate this integral, we find the antiderivative of x cubed. So that's going to be x, and we add 1 to the power, so it's going to be x to the power of 4. And dividing by the new power gives x to the power of 4 on 4. And that's evaluated between 1 and 3. So that's going to equal 1/2 multiplying. And to evaluate this, we simply plug 3 into the antiderivative. So we'll have 3 to the power of 4 over 4. And then we subtract away from that the antiderivative with the lower bound of 1 substituted in. So we'll have 1 to the power of 4 divided by 4. So that's going to equal 1/2. And then this is going to multiply 3 to the power of 4 is 3, 9, 27, and finally 81 divided by 4. And then we're going to subtract 1 over 4. And that is equal to 1/2 multiplied by, and 81 subtract 1 over 4 is 80 over 4. And that will give 80 over 8, which is equal to 10. So 10 is the average value of the function f of x between x equals 1 and x equals 3.